What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
My viewers and subscribers, welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle, Real Talk TV. What a go on, how no do, how no stay. You know, all right? I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, guys, I hope you don't feel no pain. And if you don't feel any pain at all, remember what you do. Check the doctor, call the doctor, go to the doctor, make the doctor come at your house if you have the money. But if you're broke and have no money, don't worry yourself. We're going to get somebody over there. Yeah, man. Guys, remember, say you have wellness check, yeah? Check up on your friends and your family. And you don't know we have domestic violence that take a toll upon people's life. And guys, if today is your birthday, happy birthday to you. If tomorrow is your birthday, happy birthday when it come. And if yesterday was your birthday, happy belated birthday. Guys, also, if which part you live in our community, you know that there's people in the community that is love to talk about and trouble the younger generation. Make somebody know about them. So that means people can know if you watch them, yeah? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, right now, it's like me can't believe when me come across. Me come across something that make no sense. And before me go into the video, me go play a couple video and me gonna watch the video with them when me go play, and then we go have a dialogue about what me go talk about. But me only go talk about it after we watch the videos them, and then we see what we are going to talk about.
Shane Carter?
Yes, ma'am.
This indicates that you don't qualify for the Office of Public Defender. Sir, raise your right hand to be sworn in. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give will be the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
So this affidavit that I'm looking at says that you have take-home pay of about $55,000 a year, correct?
Say that again?
It says you have take-home pay after taxes of about $55,000 a year?
That's the calculation I made for this year. Prior year we were doing, because I'm self-employed, I was doing well, but based on finances, I would see him this year.
All right, so you're in jail right now. Do you get any money while you're in jail from your job?
No, ma'am. What I do is...
Just yes or no?
Oh,
okay.
No, ma'am.
All right, and you have VA benefits of $2,500 a month that you're receiving?
Yes, ma'am. And 13 something for schooling, but that ends in when this semester ends, which should be end of this month.
All right, that's the $1,300 you're referring to?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, based on his verbal testimony, I will find that he's got debts of $10,000. If he's incarcerated, he's not earning the income currently. So I will find that he does qualify for the services of a court-appointed attorney, and I'll appoint the Office of the Public Defender to represent him. Thank you. With respect to the charge, sir, of brutal lascivious behavior or molestation, state wish to be heard. Is this, I don't think it's a dangerous crime.
That is correct. We would be motioning the court to help the defendant no bond at this time under Florida Statute 907-041 5D. We would be motioning for a pre-trial petition.
I'm going to deny your request. I'm going to set bond, given what I'm reading in the probable cause charging affidavit. And I'm going to set bond, sir, in the sum of $7,500 with a special condition that you have no contact whatsoever with a listed victim. That means no contact whatsoever. Directly or indirectly, you will not return to the scene of the offense. You'll maintain separate residences. In other words, you won't be living with the child. Do you understand that?
Roger that.
Okay. All right. Thank you.
Your Honor, he's just requesting a one-time return with law enforcement to get his things.
I'll grant that a one-time return.
Thank you, Your Honor.
CMR, you have a right to say, where are they now? Where are they now, CMR? Where are Shani and Cassandra? Where are they now? Oh, wait. We don't know where Shani they now, but we know say Cassandra gone to jail. Yeah, she just get locked up for the whole burglary incident with the other girl the name. Yeah. So what I say, where are they now? CMR, sit that one year out, brother. Me I tell you, sit it out. Nobody come on the internet with the foolishness in a CMR. For what you do cannot rub out in a so nobody come for urban and come go on like say you're so happy. The way you talk like you're so excited because urban did report about you. Where urban report about you, I never lie, urban come and report. It was on the news. There was factual information. Me not understand. There's mugshot. Me not understand CMR. I never she write the report. And she did make up what in the report. Me not understand. CMR, don't do it. CMR, remember say the people them not forget nothing. CMR nobody come over here so with it. CMR lift up and go on, no go on back in your happy marriage, no man. I know one time you come here with disgrace, two time, and then there's the time where we don't know about, CMR. CMR don't do it, no man. CMR don't do it, no man. Remember, say nobody never come out here. At least, urban husband no come out and come say nothing. The people them we are run, so them have teeth on urban. We not see no screenshot, we not see no proof, we not hear nobody come out and say, yes, urban take my husband, urban this, yes, urban husband do this. We not hear that, we not see that. But we had multiple females come out upon you and say, yes, you and them did in a dealings, and you alone shame your wife, Big pan platform, you say, But then again, wait, me wrong. At 2 times, you embarrass your wife. And then the other 3rd time is another disgrace where you bring down upon your wife. So at 3 times, you disgrace your wife on the internet. CMR don't come over here with it. CMR do not come over here with it. We is not paying you is no mind. CMR, Lord, we don't pay no mind. We don't want to hear nothing from you. You have all person enough for come out here so like you well happy say a urban them a bring down now. Cause all the people them a do, me not see the sense what them a say about urban cause it ain't no receipt, it ain't nothing about it. So me not understand where the tea won't not clock pan her. Where the tea? CMR, lift up our face and go sit down. You was in your shell, doing a good job in your shell and make the people them wonder where you're there. Stay in your shell and make them wonder what go on with you. Now come over here with it. CMR, we don't want to hear nothing about you.
I would answer to CMR, but I'm having complications right now from the gastric bypass that the internet performed on me. Is like
CMR, sit this one out because you don't in a no position at all for drag urban go or drag urban go right. Sit this one out because if I want thing, I know the internet HATEU. At one point, me really think that he gone back in the army and them send upon deployment. CMR, sit this one out. You're not in any position at all. So come talk about this. Make the woman them and urban go head and head. You're not in a not position because if we go back to all of the girls that are broken, them young girly. In your household and the thing, CMR, sit the one you own. I really this you come with? We enjoy the entertainment and everything with urban. We enjoy she bring we in a bush and bring we round and round. But CMR, this is not fear, brother. Sit the one you own. You really want to come back on the internet? You have a situation in your life that can never be fixed, In no matter how in your household them act like, we forget her. Brother, sit down on your out. As you know one of them Monday when nobody wants to say, because you don't make your name in a one way. Me just say, sit down on your out. I wonder if nobody else can agree with me. Anyways, anti-urban, we still not get nothing structure yet. We're tired of the girl own business. Report the situation now.
Now, my viewers and subscribers, you see the video them. You see the clips them, yeah? But guys, what me really not understand is, I cannot believe that CMR would come on social media laughing at a woman. CMR come on social media laughing at a woman after he was arrested for allegedly touch his stepdaughter 3 times. But it is rumored that Urban cheat upon her husband. And because Urban was talking about CMR and CMR side piece, CMR come out and laughing at Urban. Now CMR, let me talk to you, youth. If to what you was locked up for in jail and what is on your name, it will never rub out. It cannot rub out. It will never ever rub out. It will forever be on the internet that CMR get locked up because he allegedly touched his stepdaughter 3 times. But Urban, the thing come out and you running on the internet and you're calling Urban a lot of names. You're calling her all different sort of names. Now, CMR, let me say something to you, see. You have to remember that you wasn't with Chrissy in the first. Remember, you was with Chrissy's cousin. Remember, you was in a relationship with Chrissy's cousin. And you take away Chrissy. As a matter of fact, Chrissy take you away from her own cousin. So, to be honest with you, CMR, you shouldn't be laughing at a woman because a woman cheat upon her husband and the relationship mash up. You have to remember that you yourself cheated on Chrissy several times. One of the girls that you cheated on Chrissy with is in prison for stealing. Listen to what I'm saying to you. You have your music that you do. Concentrate on your music and leave these kind of things alone because you should not touch that situation. You should not. And to be honest with you, I now go down back in them things where me know about you or anything, and I go bring up nothing. But the only thing I tell you is this. Have some type of maturity. Have some kind of sense. Have some kind of brain when you see certain things on the media. You should not be commenting on nothing like these things because you are a political, what the word go? Political liar. Me can't call the word good. You is a liar and you is a user and you is an abuser. Because let me tell you something, there's no way that little girl is going to go to the school and tell the school that you touch her, allegedly. There's no way that little girl go do that. And it's not true. But for now, it's allegedly. Forever, it's allegedly because you wasn't charged. There's no way that little girl just go to school and tell them that, and it's a lie. Allegedly, she said, you touch her 3 times. It can't rub out, brother. It cannot rub out. So if you see Urban having issues with her man and the man left her and Urban have a new man, sit out them. Those kind of situations, you need to sit them out. You, CMR, shouldn't even be having any dialogues about any woman that cheats because you cheat on Chrissy so much time that people even call her Yamfield. I mean, they call her Yamfield because she passed Yamed. But at the end of the day, CMR, you is a non-progressive element to society. You was in jail, you get locked up for what? What did you get locked up for? And then you come out now and you is going to chastise this lady. You're going to talk bad at this lady. You go call her all kind of names that she have a name that she give herself, which is Urban. But yet still, you out there calling her names when you should sit down and say, you know what? I'm not going to say nothing about this. Because you have something we can't rub out. It will never rub out. It will never come off at the internet. It will never come off the internet. Your name will forever mix and call with touching of your stepdaughter, allegedly. Your name will ever be called, because guess what happened? It's not like somebody does say it and it say it. You were picked up and locked up in jail. And now, some urban rumor of it that Urban cheat on her husband. And you jumping like it's good news for you. It's not good news for you. It's not good news for you, because at the end of the day, even if Urban cheat on her husband, you cheat on your wife, but Urban have something over you. Urban never go to jail for attempted. Urban never go to jail. Let me start that over. Urban have a lot over you. You have nothing over Urban. Urban never go to jail for allegedly touching anybody. But you went to jail for allegedly touching of your stepdaughter, the same girl that live in your house. The same young lady that live in your own house. She went to the school and allegedly told them that you touch her and she's tired of it. But then you come out laughing at Urban, talking like you think you're the big deal. You ain't no big deal. Listen, people like you is people like you that I do not have no respect for. And people like you is the people that come on social media trying to drag down somebody. When you have something close to your name that cannot rub out and will never rub out, CMR, you have to remember that when you were with Chrissy, cousin before Chrissy, always remember that. Always remember that. And you know, say me nah go really dig up. Well, me nah have to dig up because me still have the informations them. Me still have them. So me nah have to go nowhere go dig up nothing at all. Me still have them. Because me not throw away things. But what me need you to do and what me need you to think about. The next time you hear that somebody cheated on their husband or their wife, don't laugh. Do not laugh. Because when you laugh, you're laughing at yourself. When you laugh, look in the glass and look at yourself and laugh. Because when you laugh at another person downfall, you're only laughing at yourself, CMR. You're not laughing at them, you're laughing at yourself. Because you cheated on Chrissy several times. You not only cheated, but your name was called on alleged touching of Chrissy herself, daughter, which is your stepdaughter. So why are you out here laughing, calling urban names, doing this, saying that, doing all these kind of things? Why would you do that? If you have any kind of brain, any kind of sense, you wouldn't even think about even making a video. But I believe that because you're dumb, you're an idiot, you're stupid. That's the reason why you even make a video and laugh. Because I'm telling you this, you're only laughing at yourself. There's no way you're laughing at Urban. You're laughing at yourself. And if I was you, I would sit down and really and truly think about the next person that you're going to laugh at. You need to sit down and look into yourself. Look into yourself, CMR, because you are your own downfall. You are your problem. You are a menace to society. You were in jail. You locked up. One of the only thing that save you, the only thing that save you is that little girl. The same one who go to the school and tell them that you did touch her 3 times, but then it's alleged that she did, that you touch her, because it cannot be proven. But you don't know a touch cannot be proven. So it's alleged that you touch her. But I don't know, why are you out here laughing and grinning and jeering Urban because she cheated on her man, allegedly. Then you go and you talk about she must not make them man do war not in her face. Like your face. You imagine? That you have people who is telling you that the man do what in her face, and you are laugh about it. You are laugh about it when you've been doing all those kind of things, cheating on your Yamfield wife, Chrissy. And that's how bad life can be. That's how cruel and wicked life can be. Because you're doing the same thing to your wife, but as soon as somebody else did, you believe that you should laugh, hey, 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 and jeer around. The joke is on you. The joke is on you, CMR, because you have something on the internet that will never rub out. Anytime somebody hear the name CMR, there's one thing that had to the CMR, not the music. They're not going to say, oh, CMR, oh, the guy who do the music. No, nobody will say that. Anytime somebody is going to talk about CMR, they go say, CMR, oh, you remember the guy there where the stepdaughter say, in touch her allegedly. That's what your name, that's how your name pronounce. CMR, oh, the guy who allegedly touched the little girl. Yeah, that's how your name come out of people's mouth. There's no, oh, CMR, the musician, no. The CMR one we are moving, no, nobody now say that. People come out of their mouth and them is using the terms, CMR, the one who alleged was in jail for touching her, his stepdaughter. So you see Urban thing come out, say Urban cheat on her man, and you run up and down with you and you say all kind of things. Why don't you sit down and fix your life? That's what you should do. Sit down and fix your life. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, I go talk a little bit about King and Shay. Guys, I won't be making videos about King and Shay. I'm just talking about King and Shay in this because King and Shay and CMR and Chrissy, they're friends. But guys, listen to me good. And this is what I'm going to say to all the 300 and something subscribers that they have. There's other people out there who is living better life, nicer life than King and Shay, that need your likes, need your shared love, your likes. They need it. Stop giving King and Shay your time of the day. Stop giving King and Shay the time of the day. Stop wasting your time on King and Shay. Stop wasting your energy on King and Shea. Shea know that King is a nobody long time, and Shea been in and out with King from Shea was about 17. King was about 40. A joke. In other words, King was older than Shea. A lot of it. I think 10 years older. I think so. I'm not sure. But King been cheating on Shea from the day they get together. So Shea been taking back King every time he went out and cheat. So what do you think they're doing now again? The same thing over and over. I'm not going to waste my energy go look for nothing to talk about them. I don't want to know who they with who, from who gone with who. This is what I heard. I heard that King, I heard. I'm not even going to look for nothing. I heard that King gonna live Connecticut with his new woman. King Roy's here and all those things. Wasn't King married to one lady down at North Carolina or South Carolina? Which one of them? So if King is married to one woman in South Carolina or North Carolina, now he gone to live with another woman in Connecticut. So and then pack up and leave the house. No, I don't. See, these are the things I talk about. The other day I made the video. I said, why would Shea go back to King? Why? When King been doing all these things over and over. Now all of a sudden, King decided to pack up and leave. I don't have time to go and search for nothing. Because to be honest with you, I am talking about it now, and I shouldn't even be talking about them. Waste of energy, waste of time. Yes, people is going to watch the video. Yes, people is going to listen to the video. But is that my time to get up and talk about these non-progressive elements who just is just a waste matter, waste of space on earth? King and Shea is a waste of space on earth. Yeah. King and Shea is nothing but a waste of space on this, what we call earth. King and Shea should not be living on earth. They should be living somewhere else, but not on earth. With this kind of stupid behavior, they shouldn't have no kids. With these kind of stupid behaviors, they shouldn't be able to have no kind of kids, no farmer kids. As a matter of fact, they shouldn't be able to contact with their own kids. Because these behaviors that they're pushing out there is teaching these kids nothing that good. Nothing that's good. And when you sit down and really look into life, you realize that most of these kids that grow up and don't know where to turn, and all they can do is turn to badness coming from some of these kind of parents. Same parent who they stand up and watch, fight, argue, curse. These are the kind of parents they come from because they see the parents do it. So because they see the parents do it, they think it's good, they think it's okay, they think it's right, they think it's the best way in life. My viewers and subscribers, I don't have the time to waste on non-progressive elements. Because Shea could have moved on with her life without King a long time ago, but she decided to stick with her man. So if you go stick with your man, live the life you want, love the life you live. But to be honest with you, and I'm a content creator who make content to make my business, YouTube, grow. But at the same time, I don't have the time to waste to dig up and go find anything. Because how I want to make content, I want to make content that someone can learn something from. Ain't nobody gonna learn nothing from King and Shea. Nothing at all. You go learn from King and Shea more than the only thing you go learn from King and Shea is how to cuss man, take man, left man and take them back, left them, take them back, and all kind of laziness. So why should I be worrying about them? Why should I be paying them any attention? I just feel like I should put this in on this video, so that means people can see that I see them, but I see them for who and what there is, and I will not be sit down and turn a blind eye on it, but I won't talk about it that much. This is just what I'm saying about it. I'm not going to say nothing more about it unless it's worth talking about. You understand, my viewers and subscribers? Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, me know say you know I watch the video them. Thank you very much for you watch the videos and I like the videos and I share the videos. But guys, me overwhelmed with the amount of video and the amount of call and the amount of talk to where people are calling me and talk to me. I really appreciate it, you know. I really appreciate it, and I really appreciate all the prayers who people continuously pray, say they want me Chuck to get fixed, and you know, so me can go out there go make some money. But you know, part of life it take its time, take some steps, so we have to work with that. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you know me now got too far down in the King and Shea situation, because me now got dig up nothing and look for nothing if talk about them. So right now, what me just say is just what me say. King and Shea is only a waste of space on earth. King and Shea should not be able to have kids, and me say that I mean I take back that kind of talk, because people like those should not be given the gift to have bring a life on this earth. Anyway, my viewers and subscribers, you don't know, until the next video, I'm here. And guys, me set up the new channel, but me not gonna tell you what name yet, but this is one of them. But me not gonna tell you what name yet until me make a post on that channel. Welcome post will be on that channel. You don't know, so again, enough respect, enough manners, and stay good, walk good, and love the life you live and live the life you love. And you love your neighbor. Yeah man, love your neighbor. Anyway, I'm out.